Alright, so everybody installed this welded diff today. We got, who's that?
Yo, no, my head's falling off.
You got his nose pierced and everything now. Let me see.
It hurt, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
I'm gonna take a peek at 3000 quick.
Yep.
There we go. Just let that sit for a bit. That smells hella good.
It wasn't spraying for a second.
I've had that can for like years. This is StrongFlex. That's the brand name.
Should we open this?
Yeah, we can. Alright. It's an unboxing review right now of this fucking light.
Braun corded LED work light. 1000 lumens.
Yeah, that one was $420, and so I was like, what the fuck? It's only $2 more.
Harbor Freight's a bunch of stoners.
Yeah, there you go. It don't really matter right now. I can always adjust it. Test that bitch out.
1000 lumens.
Don't look at it.
Oof.
Oh, for a second I thought it didn't work.
Brightness of the light, but damn, this is actually pretty nice because it reflects, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
What's
That
that?
paint though.
Yeah, it's pretty bright. Yeah, so a little mishap, but you know, finish it tomorrow. But yeah, once she's in, we're gonna be doing some skids, hopefully, and then see what else. I ordered some turbo parts, so those should be in soon. And I'm trying to see what else I have. Oh yeah, and I also have those brakes that I need to paint. I just need to install them too. Yeah, I pretty much have a lot of parts to install, but just don't have time. But I'm making time slowly, so I'm making videos too. So what's wrong with it? As you can tell, there's a crack right there. There's a crack right there. So yeah, so I just ordered this from AutoZone. It was about $79. But if you're looking for the part number for it, this is the part number. It's a direct replacement 935103, and it's called a drive shaft coupler. I'll show you the guy's progress right now. We got all the bushings in. You see that? We need to get this top bushings out up there. We hammered the mounting points out, but we need to cut that ring out. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I just picked up the Guibo, the drive shaft bushing, that's what it's called. But yeah, I picked that up. I put it on already. I just tested it on. And it does fit, if you guys can see. I just put these 3 bolts on. But yeah, the hose matches that. But if you guys want the part number again, here it is, 935103. And the diff capacity, the oil capacity of the diff is 1.3 quarts. I'll put a little over it just to make sure, but I use one of those, one of these, and the weight is 75W90. Yeah, and that's the progress so far. I'm just waiting on Donnie wants to slide over so we can just knock this out. Yeah. She's coming out clean. Yeah, so she should be done today. And hopefully I can get some skid videos. But yeah. So we're gonna knock this out. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, cause you know, you should have came from the other way. Oh yeah, you're good. Oh, that was so close.
See it idle, it drops back. It just might be too far away. Cause look, then it goes to like.
It goes back to normal.
Yeah, like it was just at like 16, 17.
Yeah, let's see what you drive. Oh yeah, it's like 16, 17. Back from Lowe's, we got. You couldn't press this bushing into the subframe. So we got this threaded rod. You guys are wondering, this is a 1/2 inch. And we got 2 bolts on each side and a washer. 2 bolts and a washer on each side. So what we're trying to do is put this piece of wood in, so we'll press it in, you know, and then we'll just tighten that way. But see how that works. Figure it out. Oh, look at this view. The front bushings in. We got the guibo in. He's working on this now. So we got the diff in. We just need to tighten the 2 rear bolts, or 3.
Right there.
Right there. But watch. Spin the wheel. Look at that. See both wheels spin at the same time.
Ah.
Oh, the diff fly. Dang, that's crazy. Alright, so we got everything bolted up, the exhaust, the sway bar, that bushing, the guibo. Now it's just time to lower it.
Yep. Cool. Got your hat, right?
Yeah.